In Six Sigma, we often want to know, does our product meet our customers' specifications? And in this case, sometimes you're able to compare in a t-test two samples, but in this case we're trying to compare bulb life against test mean. And so essentially what our customers said to us is, hey, the minimum bulb life I want is 2,500 hours. And so we need to do a one sample t-test to see if our bulb life over here actually is statistically meeting that objective. And so in the QI macros, you can come down and choose t-test one sample. It'll ask you for a confidence level. Now this is the inverse of the significance, so it's 0.95. And we're going to type in 2,500 as our test mean. And it'll go ahead and calculate this. And here you can see we end up with a p-value one-sided, so we're really looking for our data to be greater than that. And you can see here it's 0.000, so essentially yes, we can reject the null hypothesis that these have the same means because the p-value is significantly less than that. Alright, so that says that we are meeting our customers' expectations. Now what about customer wait time in a bank? Well, we could select that data, and here you see our target is 5 minutes. Well, let's go ahead and do another one sample t-test. I'm going to stay with 95 and I'm going to set this at 5 minutes. And you can see we have some 10s and some 1s and some 12s in here. But our one-sided p-value here is greater than 0.05, so we have to accept the null hypothesis that our average wait time in the bank is less than 5 minutes. Let's go over and look at another example. Here's central line bloodstream infections, and our baseline, or maybe it's our benchmark, is 4.85. So our central line bloodstream rate is, let's find out if that's actually meeting that objective. So again, we could do a t-test, one sample, and our value here is 4.85. And in this case, we're looking at this and we're going to reject that null hypothesis because it's actually quite lower than that. So there's significant difference in the means between our central line rate and the benchmark value here. So this is all about analyzing, does our average performance, is it better than, worse than our target mean? And that's how to use the QI macros t-test one sample in Excel. You can download a 30-day trial of the QI macros from QImacros.com.